There are multiple different types of mudding compounds, but the primary two main types you use is going to be this yellow, which is called taping mud, and the green, which is finishing mud. This is harder, the yellow is harder to sand, but it holds your tape on better. It's a more rigid compound. Where the green is for the finer details, easier sanding, softer on the outside of the yellow tape. So for myself, I'm going to show you how I generally mix this stuff. So if you're first time trying to get it out of the box, I understand. So what I do is I just open the cardboard. Find yourself a nice bag in there, and you just pull, and that tape usually will just open up like that. Then you just fold it down to the sides of the box. Wow, this looks like a fairly wet mixture compared to normal, but that's what we do. Just like that. And then it's in there. And you pull your bag back out. Inside out. And that's it. And then in with that. Once again, this is an auto trimmer from Trimx, $400. If you're into this kind of business and buying this size of boxes, this is a good investment to get. You don't have to stand and mix it for 5 minutes or whatever you're going to take to get her nicely blended. Okay, just add a little water, sometimes up to a liter in here, you know, just to get her from the factory drying.